Quiet portable air conditioner. In this video, we'll be talking about 3 of the best portable air conditioner that are quiet, works well, and value for money. Namely, we'll be looking at the Honeywell, the JHS, and the Kozar portable air conditioner. Also in this video, you'll get to see each of these portable air conditioners either in someone's home or office so that you can see them in action. The first aircon that we really like is the Honeywell portable air conditioner. This portable aircon is stylish, powerful, and dependable. It cools a room that's 350 to 450 square feet in size. There's a thermal overload protection mechanism for added safety and peace of mind. The automatic vertical wind motion helps to distribute powerful cool air evenly for fast and consistent cooling. The dual filters are designed to protect from dust and hair to extend product life and performance, and the filters clean easily under a faucet for easy maintenance. A full set window kit is included for quick and easy installation for vertical and horizontal windows. It's designed for comfort with 3 fan speeds, a sleep mode, digital controls, 24-hour energy saving timer, and a remote control with digital display included. Also, the built-in dehumidifier removes up to 80 pints per 24 hours with continuous drain option for long, unattended operation. To check the full specs of the Honeywell portable air conditioner and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/HoneywellAC. Here's a quick video of the Honeywell portable air conditioner in someone's home. The second aircon that made our list is the one from JHS. This is the only one among the 3 that comes with a smart app which allows you to control the aircon directly from your phone. You can turn it on before you reach home so that your room is cool and ready for you by the time you get back. And if you forgot to turn it off before leaving, you can even switch it off directly from your phone even when you're out of the house. It cools an area of up to 300 square feet with a respectable 10,000 BTU for fast cooling. This is perfect for small spaces like the bedroom, kitchen, office, and garage. The JHS aircon comes with a 2-speed fan and dehumidifier, which removes up to 50.7 pints of moisture per day. The installation is non-permanent and is equipped with all-direction stainless steel casters and handles, which allows the air cooler to roll freely from room to room. Installation is easy and takes only 5 to 10 minutes, with the exhaust hose and window kit included. To check out the full specs of the JHS Smart Portable Aircon and check out its current pricing, you can go to bit.ly/JHSAircon. Here's a quick video of this portable aircon in someone's home.
There, it comes with a little user manual right here, control which is right here. Thermostat right now it's 8 down until it got down to about 28 degrees.
The third and final aircon that made our list is the Kozar portable air conditioner. This compact 14,000 BTU portable aircon delivers fast, effective cooling for spaces up to 500 square feet and is perfect for home, office, cabin, or parties. There's an auto mode that selects wind speed based on detected ambient temperature so that the air conditioner can cool your room really quickly. There's even a built-in dehumidifier for humid days. It comes with a digital LED display and simple selections control panel, a full-featured remote, 24-hour timer, a 3-speed fan, and child lock. There are 2 washable filters that keeps the air fresh. It also comes with a full set window kit for quick and easy installation for vertical and horizontal windows, and is equipped with 4 highly durable all-direction casters for ease of movement. To check the full specs of the Kozar portable air conditioner and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/KozarAircon. Here's a quick video of the Kozar portable air conditioner in use.
The remote control, that's it. And the best thing I like this filter. It's washable, 4 pieces. Of money in the future to replace from those filters.
Now all 3 air conditioners that we've talked about in this video are highly popular and have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. Our personal favorite is the Honeywell portable air conditioner. Not only does it look good, it cools the room really quickly, it's quiet, and is very value for money. That's why we would give it 5 stars. Again, to check out the full specs of the Honeywell portable aircon, just go to bit.ly/HoneywellAC. Alright, thank you for watching.